Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the Sudwala cave, one of the oldest cave systems that we can find here on Earth. This cave dates back 280 million years ago. Yes, you heard me right. 280 million years ago. So it makes it one of the oldest and one of the well-preserved caves that we can find. So I went there purposely to visit and look at the devil's workshop inside the cave. Yes, the devil's workshop. So inside the devil's workshop, I saw Lot and his wife inside there. Yes, Lot and his wife. Yes, so I want you to sit back as we go through the cave system. It has a lot of interesting things. The cave, I must say, the cave is well preserved, well protected, and historically very relevant. So I will leave the rest to tour guide as he takes us through the history of the cave and how the cave has been preserved and what you need to know. I must say, if you are coming to South Africa, the Sudwala cave is a must-visit place. Yes, so sit back, relax, as we go through, we navigate ourselves through the cave system. Yeah, it was an interesting place to be, and I'm recommending it to anyone who visits South Africa. Thank you, and then see you later. Let's listen.
Bye-bye. Alright everyone, so as we're making our way up to the metro, so guys, we are passing by his wife on the right. So guys, Lot and his wife are both stalagmite formations, and they're both still active. So guys, in winter, up there, the water drips slowly enough to keep. Alright everyone, welcome to the Devil's Workshop. People, this area has been named the Devil's Workshop because it is warmer than the rest of the cave. Reason being, it is the highest point and hot air rises. The temperature up here is 24 degrees and the humidity is 100%. So guys, we cool off again when we move back down, guys. Cave David. Guys, need the Cave David, it is a fallen stalactite, like a fallen angel. We don't know when it fell, but it was long time ago. Perhaps it was too much or due to movements in the aircraft, which caused it to fall. So guys, when it falls, it tumbled over and let it upside down. It tumbled over and let it upside down. Alright everyone, let's take a look at that side.